one is almost over, but we're still here at the Royal Cyber booth. I'm Lydia, and today I'm joined by Sangha. Sangha, I heard you came all the way from India for this interview.
Yes, definitely.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, you might have come all the way here for the Knowledge Conference. What brought you here this year?
Yeah, I track ServiceNow as one of the key platforms as part of my research. This is one of the platforms that has been growing massively when some of the larger ones are not doing so good. So that is what keeps me motivating to keep tracking ServiceNow.
So tell me about your company and your role within that company.
Sure, I'm practice director. I lead our enterprise platform service practice within Everest Group. So Everest Group is a research and advisory firm based out of headquartered in Dallas, US.
Very good. Do you go to Dallas often?
Not that often, but I plan to go there soon. Yeah.
We'll get you a cowboy hat and you'll be good to go.
Yes.
So what has been the most impressive use of AI that you've seen lately?
Sure. I think AI has its own journey, which started when I used to hear a lot of AI earlier, 3-4 years back. It used to be more of an automation.
Sure.
But
Yeah.
now that game has changed significantly. So now people are talking about generative AI, agentic AI, a lot of AI in action,
Right.
and moving more from a rule-based AI or automation to actual intel-based AI. So that's more exciting.
Definitely more exciting. So how open do you think your company is to AI adoption moving forward?
Sure. I mean, so tech is one part. I would say for AI adoption, a company should have a strong change management. And my organization, I believe, it has a very strong leadership and change management at place, which allows our organization to take or scale up any AI technology within the organization.
It sounds like you have a good path forward.
Yeah, definitely.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us here at the Royal Cyber booth, all the way from India. I think you win the prize for longest flight so far, longer than mine. I hope you have a great rest of your conference.
Thank you.